What if the reason your garden struggles isn't your soil, your seeds, or even your weather, but simply how you plant? Most gardeners use one method their whole life. Pros switch between strategies for bigger harvests, fewer weeds, and less work. Today, you get 10 proven ways. Simple, practical, powerful. Quick question, which method are you using right now? Drop it in the comments. Raised beds are like giving your plants a first-class seat. You control soil, drainage, and spacing. Healthier roots, fewer headaches. Step 1, build or buy a bed about 6 to 12 inches deep. Step 2, fill with quality soil and compost. Step 3, plant in organized rows or grids. Raised beds warm faster in spring and drain better after rain. It's basically a VIP lounge for your vegetables. No weeds allowed. If you want control and consistency, raised beds deliver season after season. Start small, one bed, one weekend, big payoff. This method turns your garden into a grid system, clean, simple, efficient. Step 1, divide your bed into 1-foot squares. Step 2, plant a set number per square. Example, 1 tomato or 16 carrots. No wasted space, no guesswork. It keeps everything organized, even for small beds. Would you try this organized style, or does it feel too structured? Either way, consistent spacing makes care and harvesting easier. Less work, better soil. That's the promise of No Dig. Step 1, lay cardboard over grass or soil. Step 2, add compost on top. Step 3, plant directly into compost. It protects soil life and retains moisture. You grow food without fighting your soil like it owes you money. Minimal disturbance, maximum biology. Great for starting new beds fast with fewer weeds. When you run out of space, go up. Use trellises, cages, or strings. Train cucumbers or beans upward. Better airflow, fewer diseases, easier harvesting. Think of it like stacking your groceries instead of spreading them across the floor. Vertical supports keep fruit clean and straight. Perfect for patios and small yards where ground space is limited. This method packs plants closer together in blocks, not rows. Plant crops in tight groupings. Let leaves form a natural canopy. Shaded soil reduces weeds and holds moisture. Do you prefer neat rows or a full jungle look? Blocks shine for greens, beets, onions, and bush beans. Water gently and thin early to prevent overcrowding. No yard? No problem. Use pots, buckets, or grow bags. Ensure drainage holes and use quality potting mix. Flexible, portable, perfect for small spaces. If it holds soil and drains water, congratulations, it's a garden. Pick larger containers, feed regularly, and watch the moisture. Containers excel for herbs, peppers, and compact tomatoes. Succession planting keeps harvests coming, not in one big burst. Plant new crops every 2 to 3 weeks. Replace finished plants right away. Result, a continuous harvest all season. Tip, always have something growing. Empty soil is wasted opportunity. Use a simple schedule for quick growers like lettuce, radish, and beans. Water and shade new successions during hot spells. Plants helping plants. Nature's teamwork. Pair crops that benefit each other. Example, tomatoes with basil. Companions can deter pests and boost growth. Some plants are best friends. Others, not so much. Have you tried companion planting? What worked? Diversity invites pollinators and resilience. Keep it simple. Pair fragrance with fruiting crops and avoid overcrowding. The classic method, simple and effective, sow seeds directly into soil, use rows for spacing or hills for crops like squash, strong root systems, less transplant shock, follow seed depth rules, too deep and they struggle, too shallow and they dry out. Label, water gently and thin on time. Direct seeding shines for peas, beans, carrots, and corn. Get a head start before the season begins. Start seeds indoors, under light. Harden off before moving outside. Transplant carefully. Result, earlier harvest and stronger plants. It's like daycare before they go out into the real world. Keep warmth, light, and airflow steady for stout growth. Plant on a cool evening or cloudy day to reduce stress. Here's the truth most gardeners miss. There is no single best method. The real power comes from combining them. Raised beds give control. Square foot maximizes space. No dig protects soil. Vertical saves room. Containers bring flexibility. If you're starting, begin with raised beds or containers. Simple, forgiving, fast to succeed. Bonus, test 2 methods side by side. Let your garden teach you what works best. Gardening isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every season, you get better. If this helped, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe and turn on notifications. Drop your #1 takeaway in the comments and check out the next video on your screen. It was picked just for you. See you soon.